Want a running feed of new real estate listings that you can send anywhere? Slack, email, Telegram, wherever you work? Here's how to set that up with RSS.app. No coding required. First thing to understand, RSS.app pulls from a specific web page, not the entire website. So you can't just point it at the homepage and expect every listing from the whole site. Open the real estate website, run your search, or navigate to the exact page that lists the listings you want to track. City, price range, property type, whatever criteria matters to you. Set your filters however you like on the site itself. Once that page is showing exactly the listings you want, copy the URL. Paste that URL into the RSS generator and click Generate. Now, real estate sites are built differently from one another, so it's possible you'll get an error message here. That's completely normal. If that happens, we're going to use the RSS builder instead. The builder shows you a live preview of the website. If you don't see a preview load, click the Render JavaScript option. A lot of listing sites load their content dynamically, so this usually fixes it. Once the preview loads, click on one of the listings. If it's a good match, you'll see the other listings on the page highlight automatically. That means the builder has picked up the pattern and will grab each one as a separate entry. If that doesn't happen, switch to manual mode. From there, select the elements you want to include yourself, usually the link, title, description, and image. Then click Generate. Give it a few moments and there it is. A clean, structured feed that automatically fetches the latest listings from your source as they're posted. Now go to Filters. This is where you can blacklist or whitelist items based on keywords. So if you don't want to see listings that mention student housing or auction, just add those as blacklisted keywords and they'll be filtered out automatically. Now let's connect it. Click Telegram, then connect your Telegram account. Select the group or channel you want the updates sent to. That's it. The last 3 posts get pushed automatically to test the connection. And from here, any new listing that gets added to your feed arrives in that channel as soon as it's picked up. It's the same process for Discord, Slack, and email. Connect the account, pick the channel or schedule. Done. Want the listings on your own site instead? Copy the embed code and paste it into your website builder to display it as a live widget. Or, if you're feeding this into a larger workflow, copy the XML and paste it into any automation platform like Airtable or Make, whatever you're already using that supports RSS. Build your real estate monitor today with RSS app.